Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn a program to create a linked list of n nodes and count total number of nodes in a given linked list. First of all, create a linked list with n nodes. The first step of creating linked list of n nodes starts from defining node structure. Every node having two parts. The first part is known as data part and the second part is known as address part. We need a custom type to store our data and location of next link node. This is our node structure. Struct node. Struct is a keyword. Node is the name of the structure. Structure having two members, data and next. Where data is the data you want to store in the list, and star next is a pointer to the same structure type. Node is the structure, name, and struct is a keyword. The star next will store location of next node if exist, otherwise null. The node structure may vary based on our requirement. You can also have user defined types as node data section. Then declare a pointer to node type variable to store link of first node of the linked list. You can also declare variable of node type along with node structure definition. There are two ways to define the structure variable: inside structure definition and outside structure definition. Now in this case, structure variable defined inside the structure definition. After that, declare two functions. First function is for create a linked list and second function is for traverse a linked list. Void is a return type, create list is the name of the function, and function having one argument, that is n. N denotes total number of nodes in a linked list. In second function, void is a return type and traverse list is the name of the function. Then inside the main function, declare a variable n. N is for total number of nodes in a linked list. Then input number of nodes to create from user. Store it in a variable, that is n. After that, call a create list function. When this function call, control transfer to the definition of create list function. With the help of create list function, we can create a list of n nodes. Void is a return type, create list is the name of the function, and int n. N is a parameter. Inside the function definition, declare two more helper variables of node type, that is struct node star new node comma star temp. Star new node and star temp are two helper variables of node type. If the value of n is greater than 0, then create our first node, that is head node. We use dynamic memory allocation to allocate memory for a node, that is head is equal to struct node star malloc function, then size of struct node. With the help of malloc function, we can dynamically allocate memory. if there is no memory to allocate for a head node, if head is equal to null, then print some error message and terminate the program. Otherwise, move to the next step. Then input data from user and assign to head using head arrow operator. Data is equal to data. At first, head node points to null, that is head arrow operator next is equal to null. Now we are done with head node. Then we should move to creation of other nodes. Copy reference of head to some other temporary variable, that is temp. Temp is equal to head. Now we will use temp to store reference of previous node. Then create n-1 nodes and add to the list. Apply a for loop for I is equal to 2, I is less than equal to n. And I++, inside the definition of for loop, allocate memory and assign memory reference to a new node with the help of malloc function. If memory got allocated successfully, then read data from the user and assign to data section of new node. That is new node arrow operator. Data is equal to data, and make sure that new node points to null. Now link previous node with newly created node, that is temp arrow operator next is equal to new node. Then make current node as previous node using temp is equal to temp arrow operator next. Then I++. Again repeat all the steps, and after that call the traverse list function. When this function call, control transfer to the definition of traverse list function. Inside the definition of traverse list function, create a temporary variable for traversing and return if list is empty. If head is equal to null, then cout list is empty. Otherwise, assign reference of head node to a temp variable. Temp is equal to head. Then repeat below steps till temp not equal to null. And inside the definition of while loop, temp arrow operator data contain the current node data. You can print it or can perform some calculation on it. Once done, move to the next node using temp is equal to temp arrow operator next. Then again go to step 97. Again check the while condition. Temp is not equal to null. Then temp arrow operator data contain the current node data. Once done, move to the next node using temp is equal to temp arrow operator next. After that, declare a function to count total number of nodes in a linked list. Int is a function return type and count nodes is the name of the function. Then inside the main function, declare one variable total of integer type. Then after that, call the function count nodes. When this function call, control transfer to the definition of count nodes function. Int is the function return type and count nodes is the name of the function. Inside the definition of count node function, declare one local variable count which is of integer type and initialize with 0. Count variable count total number of nodes in a linked list. After that, create a temporary variable temp of node type. Then assign the reference of head node to a temporary variable temp. Then check the while condition. While temp is not equal to null, we have to repeat all the steps till temp not equal to null. And inside the definition of while loop, count plus plus that count the total number of nodes in a linked list. Once count done, move to the next node using the statement temp is equal to temp arrow operator next. When this condition is evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the out of loop and this function return the value of count back to the main function. Count variable hold the total number of nodes in a linked list. With cout display the total number of nodes in a linked list. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, enter the total number of nodes in a linked list. Number of nodes in a linked list are 3. Enter the data of node 1. Then enter the data of node 2. Enter the data of node 3. Data in the linked list is 1, 4 and 6. And total number of nodes in a linked list are 3.